Way to the farm. We ate at the wonderful, well, you call it wonderful, but the pancake house. Not the awful house, but the pancake house here in the Philippines. On the way to the farm, it is 7:15 in the morning. And it is already 31 Celsius, which I don't know, it's hot. And listen to the radio, and we're getting ready to go to the farm and see what's going on there today. Okay.
Because they're not expecting us.
Yeah.
Welcome to Balikbayan Farming. Oh, we have a visitor right now. Wait a minute. Yeah, there. Our neighbor. And my husband is trying to explain them everything. Yeah, hello there. Welcome to Balikbayan Farming. Here we are. We have a visitor here. Yeah, hello guys. Hello. Yeah. You'll be on YouTube, Iha. You'll be on YouTube.
Oh, corn and everything. Okra.
Oh, this is really good.
Yeah. You'll be on YouTube. I will upload this. Yeah. Oh yeah, we have a vlog. And my babies. There, my little ones. Wow, they're sexy, they're cute. And my hatch. Look at them. Hello there. How? Hello. Tumane. Ha. Baby, my baby, come here. Oh yeah, okay. Halika dito. Come here, my baby. Oh, my baby, come here. Oh, my baby. Ooh. My baby, come here. Oh, who's my baby? Who's my favorite? Come here. Oh, come here. Ha. My favorite. Baho. You are baho. You stink. You stink. You stink. Oh, wow. You're full. Oh yeah, cake. Cake. Yeah. And see over there, my giant. He is really a giant. And look at them. Oh, look at them. Sharing nest. See? Oh, my babies. How's my drake? I hope you're not gonna kill my drake. See? Yeah. I lost at least seven big one. Oh. Look, their beauty. Oh la la. Yeah. Sige.
They produce very fast also.
Oh, there. And I just made Rico. I just made my azola pan just now. Oh, outside the fence. Yeah. Just a trial. I just put a little bit. And there you are, baby. Oh. My baby kulit. No, not kulit. You. My cochin. My cochin. My cochin. Hula. There, you're female. We just swap, you know. Because you have 3 males and no Drake, no male. So I said, he said, can I borrow your Drake, your male? I said, okay, give me 1 female. Once it laid egg, okay, return to home base. Yeah, but he always came.
They're down to 6 now.
Yeah, I heard.
We heard.
There's some outdoors or something like that. Or, but I know for the last 2 years, because we let them free, right? So I think people know this is the time of the year when they're laying the eggs and stuff like that. So
So they go hunting.
Yeah.
They also, kuya.
you also lost?
They lost five of their this one.
Oh, we've
7.
lost.
7.
7.
We've lost a lot, but
7.
got them inside. This farm goes out like this and they just go everywhere.
7:30.
I mean, we'll have chicken. I'll be out there plowing and there are chickens following me on the tractor trying to catch worms. They're smart. If I'm mowing, they're following the tractor trying to catch bugs.
Ngayon 13 na sila kasi nakahingi ako.
So that's
Nakahingi
why you
uli
put
ako
the
na
water
isa
over
pa.
Yeah.
That's the reason.
So this is what I was telling him before I came to the year. I was telling him when I came to know that we lost half our population of Bengalis, because I had originally liked the idea of them roaming free. on the farm. But now people are taking advantage of that. So I told him, okay, let's put it. So then he said, let's go see how Eva has done it. Maybe you can do something like that.
Oh, this one is cheap. You can buy it for 100 meters for only 2,500. So I bought 2. Yes. I bought 2. This one, I know a seller. Yeah, I can buy it for you. They can deliver it, either deliver it to my house and then I'll take it here, or I'll give you the number you call.
Manila.
No, they're not from Manila actually, from provinces, because I'm going to buy turf too. They are from Bulacan and meet up here. I will ask them if they have net meet up in Rosario. Because I'm going to make a big pond over there. Yeah, big one. I already have a how do you call that? A black net.
Black.
A fisherman's net or something?
Yes, I have. Yes.
So it's like
Keeps alive.
Yeah.
Sunblock.
So I thought we throw some fish in there too. Might as well throw some tilapia in there and maybe catch them and eat them.
Yeah, you should build one like this. Now I have nothing to worry about with my animals
Does
missing.
the Bengala fly over this? No.
No, they don't.
The only ones that I've ever seen jump out is
Except my duck.
they're gonna have branches.
Except your duck. I don't know how she escaped.
They jump on the
And also I have all those sensor light. Next time I will put solar light. Lalagyan ko siya ng solar light diyan, running light sa lahat na sa fence niya. Sa taas meron ako. Nag-trial na ako ngayon, okay siya, maliwanag. 400 something, mura lang. Pero ano siya, 70 to ilan ba? Mahaba eh. Yung running light.
Yung range ng sensor niya. Gaano ka?
15.
15 meter.
Ang layo. Kaya hagip. Ewan ko to, yung sa amin. Pero pag siguro nakaganyan, depende. Ewan ko lang to, hindi ko na nasa karton. Basahin mo. Andun yung karton. Ayun, nandun sa may basura. Tingnan mo ako ilan. Kasi marami kaming klase. Kahit sa bahay, meron din kami.